moral story based on the greedy dog. As you can see, a dog is locked over here. The story begins from here. One day, the dog owner forgot to give him food. The dog felt very hungry. He broke his neck belt. This is how he broke his neck belt as he wanted to escape. And he came and started to search food everywhere. At last he found a bone. He was searching the food everywhere because he was very hungry. So he searched and finally at last he found a bone. He picked the bone and started going back to his home. There was a bridge. As he started going back to his home, he finally saw a bridge. When he started crossing it, he saw his reflection in the water. Like when he was crossing, he saw a reflection of himself in the water. The dog thought that there was another dog with a bone in water. He wanted to get that other bone too. So when he was crossing, he really wanted another bone also because he was greedy. So he started barking at his own reflection. He started barking at his own reflection. As he was barking, his own bone fell in water as soon as he opened his mouth. The greedy dog lost his bone and it fell into the water. So this is how the story ends. And what is the moral? What do you think about the moral? It is, don't be greedy. I want you all to comment below what is the meaning of greedy. You just find out and tell me. And please don't forget to like my page and subscribe my channel.